As you guys saw in our last video that we put up about purchasing a new building, this is our story. This is how the building is starting out. It definitely needs some renovation, but hope you guys enjoy seeing the progress as we move forward. Check it out. A lot of work to do, but it's gonna look pretty badass when we're done. This place was full of CNC machines before.
That's how I feel. I'm just grunting, so I want everything. Yep, I could definitely want everything easily. Take a video just so I can stare at it and remember everything. So much stuff.
I think they had like 7 or 8 actual mills running, but it was, you can see we still have all the wiring. So we're gonna clean all that out, paint the walls, paint the floor. Little update for you guys too, we did actually order a VF2 SS with a 4th axis rotary attachment, so stay tuned for some killer new parts that we're gonna be coming up with. Ripping some shit down. I tell you guys, women are probably the best workers. I don't care what anybody says. So much energy. Making some progress. Here you go. Starting to get dark out. We don't have any lights hooked up in here, but made some pretty good progress over the last day. Just gotta take that wall down right there. Get it all cleaned up. What do you think?
I'm exhausted. I'm done playing with insulation.
All right, guys, so we're a couple weeks into messing around with this building. That's the toilet. Bathroom was this big, so we're gonna be doubling that. Actually gonna have it wheelchair accessible. Pretty much tore every bit of paneling off except for that right there, but this is pretty much gonna be the whole vinyl room. This will be a sales counter. Then the showroom up here. Hard to see right now. Get the idea though. Yeah, it's gonna be a nice shop. We just got done our day and now we're working a little late here. Work never stops when you're trying to grow. Eric Crowning Shield dropped off a dump trailer, so we're gonna be filling that up with some garbage. Stuff's been piling up the last few days. Yeah, should work. Yep, that's pretty much it for today. We're excited though. Just a lot of changes need to be made to make the front of this place work for us. So we're doing it all. Got some new sheetrock. Yep, this is how we eat. We work all day and then make a little makeshift table. Eat our Chick-fil-A. Got some new doors. Oh yeah, it's a mess, but can't wait to see the outcome. Can't wait to ride this beast. She's working hard and I'm daydreaming over here staring at a Honda Talon. Soon enough. Really not much work to do in the back of the shop. We're gonna do something with the floors, probably do some painting. Definitely touch that up. Where I'm standing, we're actually gonna have a loft slash mezzanine style with probably our sandblasters and powder coat oven and everything in here. Still leave us all this room for repair work and pretty much all machining fab on that side of the shop. We're gonna leave the center bay open because we do a lot of vehicle wraps in the summertime. So we're trying to keep this bay as open as possible. But yeah, plenty of room to expand. We own this building, so we'll be adding on to it eventually. We have a little bit of a decent sized lot here too, so can definitely utilize that. But yeah, keep an eye out for future videos. Just want to thank Eric Crowningshield. He's been busting ass for me, helping out, working for pretty much just helping a buddy out type thing. So I really appreciate all his hard work, and it's exciting to see this project come together. He brought this trailer up today. That's his enclosed trailer right there. We're working out of that using all his tools. So shout out to him, ECR Renovations. He's been killing it. If you guys like these videos, please subscribe and give us a thumbs up and comment what you think. Thanks, guys.